Hi, this is Alex from Adult Services, and welcome to another video in the Library Catalog tutorial series. In today's video, we're going to show you how you can place a hold on a book using the Library Catalog. So you'll start off by opening up your favorite web browser. I use Google Chrome. Google.com to get to the search engine, and then enter. And then type in Fox Lake District Library to get to our website, and enter key. And hover over the Fox Lake District Library homepage. So once you're at the homepage, you're now going to search the catalog. So let's say we're going to look up a book on gardening, beginner gardening, and then enter. Okay, so Beginner's Guide to Vegetable Gardening, that one looks interesting. So I'll click on the title, and there's a couple things you're going to note. It'll give you the collection. It's in the nonfiction collection. Shelf location 635 JOH. Status checked in. Gives you some descriptions, some notes. So this looks interesting. So I'm gonna check it out. So I hover my mouse over the orange clickable link that says place hold. So click once, left mouse click, and then this will open up. Okay, so with this, you're going to type your 14-digit library card number, which is on, here's your library card. On the back side of your library card, near the bottom, is your barcode. You're going to see a barcode right here. It's a 23, and then it has 14 digits. Type that in this box right here. So I just came up with an imaginary number of 238, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you got the 14-digit number in there. And then the last 4 digits is your PIN. So in this case, the last 4 digits on your library card, 1, 1, 1, 2. Now there could be a space. You don't want to have any spaces. It's the last 4 digits. So 111 space 2 is actually 1112. So the last 4 digits is your PIN. So 1112. So you type in 1112, it's encrypted, so you can't see the number, and then you click on Login. So once you click on Login, this window is going to come up that says Place a Hold, the Beginner's Guide to Vegetable Gardening, everything you need to know. Pickup location, Fox Lake Library. I want first available copy is what I usually leave it at. There's also the version I want a specific copy, but again, there's only one copy, so I want the first available copy, leave that alone. And then click Submit Hold. Holds placed successfully. So now you've successfully placed a hold on your book. So if you want to actually look more at what your hold status is, you can always click on your account and then find out what holds you have. But give it about 24 to 48 hours to be pulled from the shelf. The library will contact you as soon as your book is available to be picked up, and you can either schedule a curbside pickup at that point or a grab-and-go appointment. And when you're all done, you can log out of your account by clicking on Log Out, and then you've logged out of your account. So you placed your hold on a book that you're interested in. And thank you for coming to today's video, and have a great day. Stay tuned for additional computer tutorials on our social media and on our website. Have a good day.